Condor XC Mini is the most powerful and competitive automatic key cutting machine. Supported multi-languages and online updated. Support sided track, damper, TB case. First, let's make an introduction of this machine. This is the activate button, also the emergency stop button. You just press it in, and in case any emergency happen. This is a cutting shield, and it guarantees a safety operation. Make sure each time you lower down the cutting shield. This is a tracer, this is a cutter, this is a clamp, this is a key locking knob, and this is a key clamp locking bar. These are the main functions of this machine. First, it's self-test. With this function, you can have the cutting calibration and the clamp calibration and make the precise cutting. The second one is cutting setting. With this function, you can adjust the speed of the cutting, and you can decide how many times you make a cutting. And the third one is system setting. With this function, you can make your password and you can set in the date and the time according to your necessity. And the next one is history. This one record the case you made before. And then we have key database. With this function, you need to select the car maker, for example, BMW. You need to input the key code to do a cutting. And then we have key duplication. With this function, you need to have the original key and select the car maker. BMW, for example, the car tab. With this function, you can learn the original key and make a key decode. And when you get the key code, you can make a cutting. And then we have cut by baiting. With this function, you can get the key code by the professional decode tools such as Fixture 2-in-1. And then we have find baiting. Some of the keys will lose the pin code after a long time using. With this system, you can find the pin code and make a cutting. That's all. Today we will do a Honda key cutting, for example. So let's click key database. And then choose the car maker. It's Honda, so we will enter the letter H. And the second one, Honda. Confirm. You need to input the key code. So how to get the key code? Let's take this for example. This is a Honda HON66 lock. And usually the key code will be on the door lock, the trunk lock, or the ignition lock. So let's see, try to find it. Look at these series numbers. These are the key code. So we only need the last four numbers. That's M855. So let's enter M845. 855. Confirm. So according to the screen instruction, we need to use the M2 clamp. This is the M2 clamp. And we need to use the side A. So how to adjust it? Loosen this knob, and then you make the side, the correct side. This is the A side. And according to the screen instruction, you need to make the blanket top against the first line. There are 2 lines against the first line, and then you tighten it. Okay, now this time let's input the jaws onto the machine. Okay, so before you make a cutting, make sure you lower down the cutting shield. And we click cut. The machine is automatically making a calibration. Okay, put up the cutting shield and then loosen this knob to turn the K to another side and then tighten it. Down the cutting shield and then click cut. And click cut. The machine will automatically cut in the another side of the key blank. Cutting complete. Put up the cutting shield and then clean the cutting bay. Use this brush and then loosen this knob and Okay, carting completed. And let's try to unlock this lock. Unlock successfully.
Lockartist, the largest locksmith tool supplier in China. With us, you will find daily work easy and convenient. For more information and inquiries, please visit us at www.lockartist.com or call 00860 296 8888 258.